In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a PDF link from Google Drive step by step. Whether you're collaborating with a team or simply need to send important documents to clients, knowing how to share a PDF efficiently can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open your web browser and go to your Google Drive. If you haven't already, sign in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Drive homepage. Here, you'll see all your files and folders arranged neatly. What you're looking for now is the specific PDF document that you want to share. If you already have the PDF uploaded on your drive, you can proceed by either scrolling through your files or using the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you've located the document, simply right-click on it. This action will open a context menu. From this list of options, select Get Link. You're almost there. A new dialog box will appear, providing you with all the link sharing settings. By default, the link sharing might be restricted, meaning only people added can open it. To change this, click on the option that says Restricted and switch it to Anyone with the link. This setting allows anyone who receives the link to view the document. Ensure that the button next to Viewer is selected if you want people to only view the document without making changes. At this point, the link itself will be generated and visible in the text box within that dialog. You can simply click the Copy Link button to copy it to your clipboard. Now you're ready to share your PDF with others. You could paste this link in an email, a chat, or any other communication platform that you use. A helpful tip to keep in mind is if you ever want to change the permissions or stop sharing the link, you can always go back into Google Drive, right-click the document, and modify the settings as needed. Being able to control who accesses your document at any given moment can help keep your information secure and ensure that it reaches the intended audience. There you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly share a PDF link from Google Drive with anyone you choose. This skill can significantly streamline how you distribute documents, making collaboration and information distribution so much more manageable. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your sharing process smooth and efficient. Thank you for watching and happy sharing.